Welcome to 16 Larchmont Avenue, North Providence, Rhode Island. This rental is a 2-bed, 1-bath townhouse condo which features 2 levels. This recently updated unit features an open concept on the first floor. You have a freshly rehabbed kitchen that features a stainless steel fridge, dark cherry wood cabinets, stainless steel stove with a venting head, and a stainless steel sink. You have wood laminated floor throughout. You also get your own entryway to your own basement where you have plenty of storage and laundry hookups. You have an additional closet. Then you have your living room / dining room area with laminate wood flooring. You also get sliding doors to a small backyard area for each unit. You have fresh new paint all throughout. Renting with Nexus Property Management, you get to pay your rent online, file maintenance requests, and chat with staff live 24/7. You have your bathroom that was recently updated with new marble tiling, a full-size tub, gray vinyl flooring, and a brand new vanity. Next room is your first bedroom. You have wood vinyl flooring, fresh new paint throughout, and a closet. This room can fit a standard full bed set. You have your second bedroom, which is a little more spacious. You also get 2 closets and plenty of outlets. This unit houses centralized gas heat throughout. This rental is managed by Nexus Property Management, landscaping and snow removal provided. Subscribe to the channel and go to nexuspropertymanagement.com for more rentals.